Hi, it's Zina, and today I want to show you how I set up my modern cube hookah from Kitosun. So this is the base. I already went ahead and added water to it. You fill it up between the minimum and maximum lines, and now I'm going to put the top on it. So the top has several pieces. It has this piece, and to which you will attach the bottom piece, like so. You screw it in, then you put it on top of the base, screw it into until it's tight. Now over here you have the plate, and that has this little piece that screws in on top and makes it kind of tight. Okay, then you have this kind of silicone piece, and in here's where you would put your flavoring. You would kind of pat it down. Don't pack it too tight, and once that is in there, you would go ahead and put this piece straight on top of it. You don't need the foil. And once I have hot charcoal, I would go ahead and pick it up with this and just place it. I like to use 2 little cubes of the cube charcoal. You can adjust how much it's open or closed. I would put it on here. And I would put in the hoses. This comes with 2 hoses, so you have one that has a little rubber gasket on the bottom, and that's what goes in here, and this is how the other end looks, and this is what you would put in your mouth. So go ahead and attach both hoses to it, and when it's ready, the final thing is you want to use the light that it came with. You want to put the light down on the surface that you're going to be using your hookah. So I would put it here. I would gently pick up the whole entire thing and place it over the light. There's a little square hole in the bottom that fits snugly over this light, and it comes with this remote. So I'll just turn it on. Right now it's set to just switch colors, and obviously it has different settings, picking colors, and the way if it stays or it switches or if it blinks and whatever else the lights do. So there you have it. That's it. It's a tall, nice, solid piece. Really beautiful, and I really love it.